everyone, welcome back to Daily Talk. Today we are going to learn a word of the day. The word for today is happenstance. Happenstance. It might be a new word for most of you. One of the modern English words. So I thought, let me make a video out of this today. So today we will be learning the spelling, the meaning, the synonym words and the usage in sentence for the word happenstance. So first, the meaning. Happenstance means something which happens unexpectedly. An unexpected incident is called happenstance. We explain the happening of an unexpected incident by the word happenstance. எதேர்ச்சியா நடக்கிற ஒரு விஷயம், எதிர்பாராம நடக்கிற ஒரு விஷயத்தை happenstance அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Like it happened by chance. That's why happenstance. Something which happened by chance is a happenstance. So the other word for happenstance is happenchance. Is also another word to say that. Something which happened just by luck. Maybe like you didn't expect it to happen, but it turned out to. So that's why it's a happenstance. As I was telling you, happenchance is another word for happenstance. The synonym word for happenstance is coincidence. எதேர்ச்சியா நடக்கிற ஒரு விஷயம். Again, same meaning. So they become the synonym of each other. Now let's see some example sentences. Yesterday I met Reenu in a happenstance. Means எதேர்ச்சியா நேத்து நான் ரீனுவை மீட் பண்ணேன். I actually didn't go to market for buying vegetables, but as a happenstance I bought it. But luckily when I came home there were a lot of guests and I had to cook for them. Like நான் vegetables வாங்குறதுக்காக கடைக்கு போல, but எதேர்ச்சியா வாங்கிட்டு வந்தேன். பார்த்தா வீட்ல நிறைய கெஸ்ட் வந்திருந்தாங்க. So கரெக்ட்டா அந்த டைம்க்கு அது யூஸ் ஆச்சு. So by coincidence I bought it and luckily it was used in the right way. So that is how we can use the word happenstance in a sentence. Okay? எதேர்ச்சியா நடக்கிற ஒரு விஷயம், எதிர்பாராம நடக்கிற ஒரு coincidental விஷயத்தை தான் we say by the word happenstance. So I hope this word would have been new for most of you. So learn the word and try to use them in your everyday vocabulary. Alright? Because that is very very important. Any new word that we learn, we have to remember it, we have to understand it, and also we should practice it. That is when it will become our word. Instead of the word that we learned, it will become our own vocab. So that's the speciality of any vocab. You learn it, you understand it, and you have to use it. Only when you use it, it will become your style of speaking, your way of words. So go ahead and use the word happenstance next time when something happens coincidentally, unexpectedly. Alright? See you in a new video again. Bye-bye.